How to add a video in Mailchimp email. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I am going to show you how you can add a video to your Mailchimp email. It is very easy and very simple. Follow up the video to learn how. Now the first thing that you need to do is you go to Mailchimp.com, sign into your account, then simply right here we are going to see the campaigns. When you see the campaigns right there, it will take us to the email builder. We have here the dashboard of Mailchimp. I'm simply going to all campaigns or create a new campaign. Here we have the email, regular email, design that email. Simply, we are going to see the designer of the email. Now, the first thing that you need to do when you go up to this page, click on Content and Design Email again. It will open up the editor right away, and here we have the choice of these templates. Choose your templates and simply go ahead and apply some changes to it. Here, to add the video, it is very easy. Either you have a block right here, you can go ahead and add, drag and drop that block. Put right here the video, you can go ahead and replace it, upload an image or browse. And also you can go ahead and put a URL as a source. This is the first method. Or you can go ahead right here and click on image or add an image block, for example like that. Simply here add an image which will contain the thumbnail and also go ahead and put the link for your video. Let's go ahead and replace the video template and we'll show you how you can do that. Put here the files to all files. Then we are going to see here the video format that we have on our computer. Here we have a video. I'm going to upload it. It will be replacing that video and everything will load up. Now for the image, it is very similar. You have to create a thumbnail for the image, make it, and then you are going to put a URL. And also for the video, you can go ahead and put a source or any video from, for example, an uploader of videos, YouTube, Vimeo, and etc. Let me show you. I'll go ahead and click on add image, choose a thumbnail. Right here, I'm going to choose that thumbnail. It will load up the thumbnail real quick. Let me show you how it will. Wait for the thumbnail to load up and then simply you are going to type the link to website. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.